Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please consider smashing that subscribe button. Your support means so much. This is my camper van. He is at Great Escapes in Redditch, and I'm going to be kind of documenting as they do a complete respray. As you can see, the seams need doing, and he's going to have a complete respray, and inside's going to be done as well. It's going to be awesome. So a quick tour of my Type 25. He's called Charlie and he is at Great Escapes in Redditch. He's going to be completely resprayed. Got the sink here and the fridge. It's got the hob here and the grill. Gonna have a new hob and a grill as well, I think, but might keep that one. And then storage, plenty of storage space. The gas bottles down there, they're just going to come out in a sec. Wardrobe. And this is the rock and roll bed. Then there's a little bit more storage just up there as well. And another bed up here if you need it, and the pop-up top goes up kind of this much, which is quite good.